Parts, yay. Because everybody loves 2 parts. I don't know where you're going. Would you like to battle? No! Maybe. I don't know. Sure. Okay. If we just had a stomach net for this. You have to get over this, man. I'm talking to myself again. I'm not delusional. Use pursuit. Why? You're annoying. Paralyze, heal for the win. Now it's pursuit for the win. For the win, for the win. Meow. Not a Zoomerl. Zomberl. Hehe. Like I really needed that critical hit. But thanks for the enthusiasm. Okay then. Oh, you're distinguished. Disgustingly good. How did how couldn't I read that? I'm full of pep. My Pokemon's peppy too. Peppy. Very pepped up to battle. My Pokemon lost its pep. Oh, it's a new route? Wow. The first Pokemon on this route is